Hey, Ronda, my name's Corey. Chad told me to send over the screencast over to you. Real quick, I'm just going to go over three quick tips content, citations, and backlinks. Really bringing your word count up to about 1,500 words, maybe even 2,000, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus, you need enough content in there so that way you can layer keywords. Excuse me. Those are the keywords that you're actually trying to be found for as well. Even these images, what they're saved as, it all matters. Google recognized this. You got residential HVAC. You could put more of a buyer's intent keyword back there. And that's just going to help with your rankings even more. Excuse me. Now, if I go inside of Google here, and they type in heating repair Panama City, Florida, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees here at the very top. These are actually brand new. They came up with these to help weave out some of those old school ads that became very spammy. A lot of people have been going away with these ads too as well because of all those spammy phone calls. So these Google guarantees are supposed to help weave out some of those spam calls. I've seen ads anywhere from $30 to $140 a click. I don't know if you're running ads. I'll see here in a minute, but I know they do get pretty pricey at the end of the day. Imagine clicking on that $30 to $140. Two, three, four clicks a day it does get pretty pricey at the end of the day. Anyway, so underneath the ads, we have this little map pack here. Really, to get the rankings in this section is going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is, just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your competition has. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking the competition. Underneath the little map pack here, really comes down to the organic rankings. This is going to deal with the this is the first page of Google, and really to get here is going to deal with that authoric content, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it, plus being found for those keywords, and also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. So if I just go and take your URL here and actually stick it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a tool, just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a website. Let me give it a second here. So you got 14 referring domains, which is pushing back 78 backlinks. Looks like you've had 244 historically. You've started this thing back in 2013 or so. Did most of your backlinking in 2018, looks like. But anyway, the 16 to 0.03 looks like you need a little bit more quality backlinks as well. Also, they'll stay on longer as well, too. So anyway, coming in and looking at your keywords, you got 33 keywords that you're actually being found for, which is pushing back about 3 clicks to your website every month. Coming in and looking at your keywords, what you're actually being found for. You got your name, AC Repair Panama City FL. There's 100 clicks. Your 21st position, so I'm missing all the traffic. HVAC Panama City FL, another 30 clicks. Air conditioning Panama City, another 100 clicks. Air conditioning repair Panama City FL, another 90 clicks. You're missing all the traffic because you're 16th, 20th position. You're second, almost third page of the of Google there. So really, you need a lot more high, powerful backlinks to help propel these things to the first page. Showing you Ridge AC here. Put them inside of Ahrefs. Real quick, doing a quick overview. What would an extra 97 clicks of these kind of keywords do for your business? So air conditioning Panama City FL, there's 70 clicks. AC repair Panama City FL, 100 clicks. Air conditioning repair Panama City FL, another 90 clicks. He's fourth position on all those. So there's 70, 50, 100, 90 clicks, 60 clicks. He's getting a decent amount of traffic coming from those, so you can really see where those 95 clicks are actually coming from. Making sure you have high authority backlinks, content really will help drive that traffic as well. Anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, would love a free custom game plan. Feel free to reach back out. I do love reviews. Tell me how I did on this video, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thank you.